Hi there. Welcome to 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗃 Cars, your trusted destination for pre-owned vehicles in Coimbatore. Today, we're excited to showcase a well-maintained 2013 Ford Figo diesel in our inventory. This Ford Figo is a diesel variant, which means you'll enjoy fantastic fuel efficiency and lower running costs. It's a single-owner car, which adds to its reliability and peace of mind. Let's take a closer look at the key features of this vehicle. From the outside, this Figo presents a sleek and stylish appearance in a beautiful silver color. The body is in excellent condition, with minimal signs of wear and tear, attesting to the previous owner's meticulous care. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a well-maintained interior that's both comfortable and functional. This Figo comes equipped with air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant driving experience even on the hottest days. Under the hood, this Figo is powered by a robust and efficient diesel engine, known for its impressive torque delivery and fuel economy. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, this car delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. This Ford Figo is registered in Dindigul, and as mentioned earlier, it's a single-owner vehicle, which adds to its reliability and transparency. Now, let's talk about the price. This 2013 Ford Figo diesel is available at our showroom in Coimbatore for an attractive price of 2,25,000 rupees only. If you're interested in taking a closer look or scheduling a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us. At 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗃 Cars, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality pre-owned vehicles at competitive prices. Visit our showroom today and experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with purchasing from a trusted automotive dealer. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗃 Cars soon.